best DIY guitar kit communities online. Hello folks, needing help with your DIY guitar project? Do you feel the need to reach out to people who share the same passion for kit guitars? Then we have gathered all the social media groups and influencers that you might want to follow and join. Here are the best DIY guitar kit communities online. Whether you are a newbie or an expert luthier, joining guitar communities would definitely help you out in situations where you need to hear opinion from other guitar geeks. These groups will help you solve problems and give you quick answers to your questions because these are real people with real experiences that might be similar to you. Why join guitar kit communities? Wouldn't it be beautiful to have everyone who love guitars in one room and talk about guitars all day? Grab a beer because it's going to be a long conversation. We will be covering the most commonly used social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Reddit. Whether you are joining to get some advice or just to showcase that beautiful axe you've been working on in your garage, you deserve to be in these groups, and the masterpiece you have built deserve the world's applause. Guitars and Stuff. Guitars and Stuff is a jam-packed page with over 32,000 guitar heads on Facebook gathered as one. You can share videos of you playing the guitar or flaunt that axe that you so brutally shred on. So if you want to join this page, link is in the description. Kit Guitar Builders. If you feel left out with kit building, catch up and see awesome builds in Kit Guitar Builders group. You will be surprised how talented ordinary people can be when it comes to building guitars. Passion and hard work really pays off, and it shows on their masterpiece guitars. With over 25,000 members, you will surely enjoy being a part of this great DIY guitar kit community. Link is in the description. New Kit Guitar Builders. New to DIY guitars? You're not alone and will never be. Join the New Kit Guitar Builders group and meet over 22,000 awesome people who will try to help you and share their ideas on building kit guitars. Link is in the description. Guitar Builders Community. Beginner or advanced, all builders are welcome here. Show us your axe and we show ours. This page is a great crowd with almost 29,000 awesome people who are pleased to see anything related to guitar building. Link is in the description. DIY Guitar Builder. From the name itself, this is home. We know what to find in this group. Some great people who share the same passion for building DIY guitars. Friendly admins are on standby to accept newcomers. What are you waiting for? Join now and be a part of this group with over 24,000 members. DIY Guitar and Luthier. Yep, another one of those feels like home moments. If you are not yet a member, go on, hit join already and be part of this amazing community with over 32,000 guitar builders. Not to mention, they got really good experienced luthiers waiting to answer questions. Memes Guitar. When the building gets tough, the builder gets tougher. Don't stress out too much. Building DIY guitars is supposed to be fun. Here's a great page with almost 100,000 followers that you could indulge in for some laugh. Link is in the description. Guitar Mania. Here's a great page with anything about guitars. Guitars, guitars, guitars. Strings flying and vibrating everywhere. With 204,000 followers sharing videos about guitars, you will never get bored. Guitars Daily. Another great Instagram that's all about guitars. 570,000 guitar heads following this. You'll understand why after you're part of that 570,000. From awesome guitars to awesome guitar players, they're all here. Link is in the description. Guitars are better. When they said the world's largest guitar page, they weren't kidding. With close to 1 million followers on Instagram, this is probably the most packed social media group of guitar lovers on Instagram. Expect to see everything about guitars on this page. Link is in the description. Our Guitar. Just when you thought you saw the biggest guitar crowd, wait till you join Our Guitar with a whopping 1.5 million followers. There's even a specific subreddit for guitar kit questions. Building kits will never be hard ever again with all these social media groups full of guitar lovers and builders. So that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this content. Till next time, rock on.